Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the front rotor for the Toyota Tacoma 2018. So that this truck, actually that's my truck anyway, I replaced the rotor and passed maybe a couple months ago. It's now vibration. When you apply the brake, you feel a little bit of vibration and your steering wheel a little bit shaking lightly, but I'm a mechanic, right? So very picky, I have to replace the rotor again. So this rotor is warranty anyway. So 1 year warranty, I got a couple months warranty. So I tell the park guy, send me another rotor. So this is a new rotor. So I replace the rotor and keep the rotor back for the park guy. So it's very easy. The rotor I replace maybe about like 5-10 minutes. So very easy. It don't change the past because I really did that. So now let's do it together. So I checked it up already. So now we take the wheel out. 21, I'm going to make like time of 10 minutes. Okay, the maximum 10 minutes and not go over 10 minutes. Okay. So go. I try to take the wheel out first. 21 socket and you might impact. Okay, so what I have to do, I'm going to try the camera closer. I turn the wheel this way. Okay, so what I have to do, take the ball over here, number 12. I'm going to close it over here for you guys, easy to see that. Number 12 over here. Okay, I'm going to put the light over here, the more easy. Rider. Number 12 over here, and number 17 two ball over in the racket caliper, and take it out. That's it. Take the ball out. I don't want to broken the brake light, right? So that's why I take the ball out to make coming out easy. So I'm gonna use the flex small socket and 17. One. Come on. Okay. Now we take the rotor out, caliper out, put down a little bit. Right here. More easy. Bend a little bit more caliper. Make coming out easy. So now we take the rotor out. Okay, I'm gonna put a new rotor in. The part I sent a couple months ago. So what I have to do, tie the wheel back over here more easy. I put the one nut over here, just hold the rotor. Make sure the hole is nice. Okay, so that's it. Now put the racket caliper back. The whole caliper. Okay. Now put the ball back, that's it. The job done about 10 minutes. With the tie anything. Because when I apply the brake, it shakes a little bit. So it's my truck anyway, I'm going to change it. Okay, tie them up. Take the bottom one. That's it, done. I don't think so, not even 10 minutes. Let me see my timer. I can tell you what exactly. Only 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to put this bowl back. Okay, tie them up. That's it. Now turn the wheel back. Okay, take the ball out, put the tie on. I'm going to move the camera out a little bit and put the tie on. Okay, this Tacoma is TRD Sport. This rim for TRD road. So I buy this rim. I update this rim. Another rim I put another rim, original rim I put a winter tire on. This rim for TRD road. I pay about 1,500 just the rim. Buy from dealer anyway. I don't know the rotor quality, very cheap. Only 2 months now vibration. Now to use my gun. After you talk, inspect. Okay, for this kind of car we have to use the torque inspect. So I have to put 95 foot-power only. You cannot go over 95 foot-power only. So I'm going to tighten up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we'll go back again. Okay, so I really share with you how to replace the rotor for 2018 Toyota Tacoma. So thank you very much for your watching my video. If you like my video, please thumb up. Let me know next time, and I'm going to make another video. Thank you very much. See you next video. Ciao.